guys, so as you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be a double IPSY bag unboxing. I haven't been very active lately and I haven't posted for a while, but I decided that I would, instead of doing an IPSY bag unboxing every month, I will just go ahead and let 2 months pass just so that I have more content for the video, as opposed to just doing a simple voiceover and just making it quick and simple. So I have my January bag and my February bag. Oh my god, why did it take me so long to say January and February? Anyways, so my January bag, I actually did kind of peek into it, but I didn't actually like get in there. And this bag I have never opened at all. I got it and I just put it to the side and I'm like, I'll just do the 2 bags together. Because when that second bag came, I was like, yo, you are really slacking on these videos. So let's just get straight into it. So this is gonna be the January IPSY bag. And I can already see there is something that was not, it could not fit in the bag. First off, let's talk about the bag. This is what the bag looks like. I like it, it's cute, it's kind of loud, kind of bright. I guess the theme is like sporty. And before I even get into the bag, I'm gonna tell you what was outside of the bag. And I can already tell that I'm going to like it because it says coconut at the top. So it says the coffee scrub, organic feelings, Los Angeles. And it says sexy skin is just a scrub away. It's just a scrub, as it says, coffee scrub. And it says coconut on the top, so I'm gonna assume that it is coconut flavored. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh man, I ripped the coconut. No, no one's gonna know that it's coconut. And I dropped it. Got it. So let's see. Okay, so it's coffee. Is smelling strong, like a really strong coffee. Like you can, yeah, so it's like extremely strong coffee with a hint of coconut. I'm just gonna put some in my hand. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So coffee scrub, item number 1 in Glam bag number 1. Well, let's get into the bag now. Let's pull out that card, and it says I will conquer and game face. So I guess it is actually like a sports theme bag. And the next thing that I have in here is a charcoal wash off mask. It's 15-minute facial therapy, deep cleansing mud based formula. And this is what it looks like. It's water based, so that's always good. First ingredient, water. And we'll see how this is. So it's just basically a charcoal mask. Next we have Ciate London's Fierce Flakes. What? Fierce Flakes. And I don't know what, oh, it's actually an eyeliner. Let me just pass it along. That went on super smooth. It's a black eyeliner. So far we have the coffee scrub, the charcoal mask, and the liner, the eyeliner. I love all 3 of them. Can you tell? So next we have the NYX lingerie, and it is a lip gloss. It's so thick. Oh, I'm guessing it's like a matte lip gloss. So let's see. Oh, I like that. I want to take this off and put this on. And it has a little shine to it, but I don't know if it's gonna dry matte. It doesn't say matte anywhere. And it's in the color Lip LI05. Oh, it's so thick. It's like pushing. I'm trying to cover it and it's like pushing the lid. Last but not least, we have Furless is the brand, and it's in the color Snicky, and it's a loose eyeshadow pigments. Tore the box. Because they make everything hard to open, okay? They make everything hard to open and it's just blowing my shits. Okay, so this is it. Oh my god, I love the bottle. I love the packaging. It says Sneaky on the front and this is the logo. It said loose, so we want to be careful. Let me just try and swoop some up. So Sneaky is actually a purple. I'm just gonna put some on my hand and I'll show you guys how beautiful it looks so far. All right, so this is the loose powder pigmented eyeshadow in the color Sneaky by Furless. This is a birthmark. Ain't no mine, it's just the birthmark, guys. I wish I had actually opened this bag in January because I would have used the charcoal mask, the coffee scrub, the lip. Oh, so it did dry matte. The matte lipstick by NYX. So that's it for my January bag, and let's get straight into the February bag because this video is taking too long. So moving on to February, let's open this up for the first time. Don't know what's in there at all. I didn't even check my IPSY profile to see what I got. Ooh, to see what I got. No, February, I just remember that was a Valentine's. So look at what we have. Oh, and again, we have another product that could not fit. That could not fit in the bag, so they had it on the outside. So that's one of our 5 products that could not fit on the inside. Let's start with the product. I don't even want to. So this is Meteor Shower by Black with a Q. Baby, did you fall from outer space? That's what it says on the back, I swear to God. And it is a scrub. This looks kind of fun. I guess it's like a charcoal scrub, but it's a charcoal scrub for your entire body, but you actually have to shower, clean yourself first, and then use this and it will take effect. But you're gonna wash it off, but don't use like body wash afterwards. I'm gonna try this and I will let you guys know how it turns out. Probably in my next IPSY bag I will try to remember to tell you guys how this worked out for me. Okay, so this is February, so obviously it is going to have some sort of Valentine's Day theme to it, and there is a little lace on the bag. Is it lifted? Yes, there is a little lace on the bag and the bag is in a nude pink color. Let's see what is in there. Let's pull out the card and it says unzipped, and there is a group of ladies on the cover, and it's basically, what is the theme? Oh, sorry, I just said it. It's unzipped. Being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. You said that right, boo. You said it all the way right, IPSY. So let's see what we have in the bag, and it's first off we are starting with Lunar highlighter. Ooh, that boy looking good. This is the highlighter, so let's see how that highlighter is going to look. But first let me get January IPSY bag off my hands. I am back. I have cleaned my hand for February and let me go ahead and try it. How about I just try it on my face? Like, why not? And if I don't like it, I'll just be looking crazy for the rest of the video. I mean, it's not bad, but it's kind of light. I feel like, you see, like it's not bad, but it's kind of light. I don't know. Maybe it's not showing up nice on camera or something, but I am not a big fan of this right here. I don't think the lighting in here is doing it justice, but it's kind of like a nudish. You see how it is, like See how pretty it is? It is really pretty, and maybe it's kind of matching my background too, so maybe that's kind of the reason why it's not showing up the way it's supposed to. But this is what it looks like, guys. We're gonna use this as our demonstration just on the inner part of my finger. I was wondering when we were gonna get some more brushes, and look, one of my favorite companies, because IPSY has set me on with these Luxie brushes, and I now have a double-ended Luxie brush, and this is the number 249, and it's basically an eyeshadow and blender brush in one. So you're gonna apply that eyeshadow, girl, and then you're gonna blend all with one tool. Absolutely love it. Yes. I feel like I got this already. Like, what is this? Why am I getting this again? Anyways, it's a mask with an R. It's a mask, and it is a loose eyeshadow, right? And the name of it is Foiled Again. It's more like Failed Again. Like, I didn't like it the first time. Why are they sending me this? I don't like it. I do not want it. It's just a loose eyeshadow in a Gunsmoke color. So I feel like this might be different. Oh my god, I totally smashed it, and it might be different. Because this one, you see it on the tip of my finger, this is more like a halo. It's just bursting. It's just bursting out. Yeah, so you see, this is actually pretty. The other one that I had was kind of like a Gunsmoke, really disgustingly colored gray silverish thing. This is actually pretty. If you're going for like a glitter look, this is actually, it's actually pretty. I take back everything I just said. I really thought they were sending me the same thing that I did not like. It's a good color. I take that back. I take back what I just said. It is in fact a good color. And that was item number 4. When I'm done, I will rate these bags because your girl has mixed feelings, okay? Mixed feelings. This is, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even show you guys. So this is by IT Cosmetics, another brand that I love, especially their eyeliners and stuff. Super duper love it. This is by IT Cosmetics. It is Bye Bye Under Eye. So for them dark circles, girl, we about to figure this out. And it is full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer. This is what the tubing looks like. And I don't know if this is like a full size, but anyways, I got it in warm deep dip. So let me just put some on my hand. It came out kind of foamy. It came out kind of foamy. And for a concealer, I feel like it's extremely dark. Even for me, like, look at this. I feel like it's extremely dark for me as a concealer. Like, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to conceal dark under eyes, or are you trying to give dark under eyes? Because this is kind of dark for me, bro. So guys, this is it for February's glam bag, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go through everything that I got, and I will start with January. So to recap, this is my January glam bag. In it, I got this Furless loose eyeshadow powder in a purple color. The name of it is Sneaky. Then this is the card that came in the bag. Then I got the NYX lingerie in the color Lip Li05. It's a matte lip gloss lipstick kind of thing. It's really pretty. And then I got this Ciarte London Fierce Flicks, and it is an eyeliner in the color black. Super duper love it. Can't wait to try it. And then I got a charcoal mask. I got a charcoal mask, and I got a coffee scrub in the scent coconut. So these are the 5 items that I got from my January IPSY bag. I love every single one of items in this bag. I will rate this bag a 5 on 5. this is the bag that we got in our February Glam bag. Then we got this Meteor shower, and it's basically a body scrub. It's a charcoal body scrub. Can't wait to use this. Then I got this highlighter by Luna. And this loose eyeshadow powder thingy again, and this time it's in kind of like a silver. It's almost like a halogenic, is that what they call it? Halogen? Whatever. You know those nails, those halogen nails or whatever they call them? That's the effect that I get from this loose powder. And I got one of my trusty Luxie brushes, yay yay. And lastly, we got this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, who is actually trying to give me under eye darkness. So basically, these are the 5 products that I got in my February IPSY bag. This one I am going to rate 3 out of 5 because I'm not really a fan of the highlighter, and I am definitely not going to use this concealer at all. I am excited to try the body scrub. I don't feel like it could do any harm. And this eyeshadow thingy, which I was kind of negative about at first, but I realized that it's actually a pretty nice color depending on the look that you're going for. And of course, I love my brush. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, if it was too long, let me know, and I will just get back to my individual months of IPSY bag unboxing. Or maybe this will just be this time, since I'm trying to catch up on my monthly IPSY bags unboxing. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to check out all my other videos because I have been posting, guys. I have been posting, so stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.